Welcome back to Codrawgraphic. In this video, I will show you how to check for required fields and more phone number and email validation before submitting a form using JavaScript. Let's start now. Let's start with the basic form submission event. Here, I add an event listener to the form. When the form is submitted, the function runs. This attaches an event listener to the form elements. E is the event object that's automatically passed to the event handler. It contains information about the event and methods to control its behavior. Common names are E, event, or EVT, but you can name it anything. I use e.preventDefault to stop the default form submission behavior. This means the page won't reload or send data immediately. Then I use firstname.addEventListener. This means every time the user types something in the firstname field, the validate firstname function will run. Then I define the validate firstname function. Inside it, I get the value of the firstname field and remove any extra spaces using .trim method. I also grab the error message element with getElement by ID firstname where the error will be shown if needed. If the input is empty, I call the showError function and display the message first name is required. The return false helps other functions like a form submit handler know that the form should not proceed. Then I call the showError function to show an error messages and highlight the field is red. Then I return false to indicate validation failed. Then I assign validate firstname function into is firstname valid variable. If validation returns true, this showing form submitted successfully. Now I also create the show success function. Now we can show our real-time validation messages. We can also validate the length of the password. Same process to validate the last name. I will also write the necessary things to validate other fields. In validate email function, I first get the trimmed input value and the error element for email. Then I use a regular expression to check if the input follows a valid email format. I will show you the meaning of this. In validate font function, I use a regular expression that allows an optional plus mark at the beginning and expect 10 to 15 digits. I also add .test method here. The .test method is a built-in JavaScript function for regular expressions. It checks if the input string matches the regex pattern. In validate password function, I simply check if the field is empty. Now we can see all our required input fields before submitting. In the phone number field, we can use 10 to 15 digits. Optionally, we can use plus mark at the beginning. Alright, in the next video, we will improve our password validation and make sure the password and confirm password fields actually match. Subscribe us.